First, we have to make the barbecue sauce. All right, already I combined a cup of orange juice, a stick of butter, a half a cup of sugar, and a quarter cup of vinegar and about 2 tablespoons of mustard. I mixed that up, brought it to the boil, and simmered for about 20 minutes. Now, I'm going to add a cup of ketchup, a dash of hot sauce, now then, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave a comment. It helps the video a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okay, today we have an Orange BBQ Chicken Quesadilla. First thing, as you can see here, I've got 3 tortilla shells. They're the little mini tortilla shell, Mission Street Taco tortilla shells to be specific. And now I'm adding some shredded chicken after laying down some Mexican cheese blend. I think it was like Monterey Jack and cheddar. Not sure what's so special about that. And then we're going to add our orange barbecue sauce. Then we top it off with a little more cheese. And then we top it off with another tortilla shell. And then brush with some melted butter. And then we want to griddle these up on a griddle over medium-high heat. Add more melted butter to the other side. And then give these a couple of minutes to fry on up. All right, after a couple of minutes, you should be looking at something like this. Nice golden brown and ready to go. So that's Orange BBQ Chicken Quesadillas. Done.